In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siri as a personal assistant. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Siri is included by default on any iPhone or iPad model, and you can easily activate her. Then you will be able to ask a variety of questions or give her commands to perform tasks. She will be your personal assistant regardless of which device you are using, and you can customize the language, the voice, the accent, and plenty of other options. To start, activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or simply Siri. If you haven't set up Siri yet, then you can do so by going over to the settings, finding the Siri category, and double checking to see if it is enabled. If Siri is set up, the next thing to do is to choose the voice that you want to use and set up your own voice recognition. After this is done, whenever you say "Hey Siri" or "Siri" loudly into the microphone, this will activate her. Now you are free to ask questions or give her commands. For example, play music, set a timer, send a message, get directions, and so on. Siri can answer questions about a wide range of topics from weather and sports scores to math calculations and definitions. You will find the main options available here, so you can choose in which language the replies are going to be given to you. You can change the voice between various different accents. They will have presets for every single one, so you have American, Australian, Indian, and so on. You have the option to control her responses and other general options when using Siri and its integration with different applications. Siri can integrate with many third-party apps, allowing you to perform tasks directly within those apps using your voice commands. So if you are using a workout app, for example, you can ask Siri to customize your calendar for a particular day using that app, and so on. But to keep it simple, use the "Hey Siri" command to activate her whenever needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Siri as a personal assistant. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.